Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of September, and we're gonna, as always, analyze two interesting charts from the ARK Innovation ETF of Cathie Wood. So let's start with Adobe. Ticker symbol, of course, is ADBE. Basically, we've had a pretty impressive rally to the upside that lasted the whole summer, unlike, let's say, other indices. And the interesting thing is now we start to have the biggest pullback since the one here in May. So that, of course, is a sign that we could indeed pair up with this wave 4. Now let's try to compare wave 3 with wave 1. So wave 3, as you can see, is exactly almost to the dollar, 1.618 the length of wave 1, and that of course is a very common Fibonacci target for wave 3s. And now the thing is, could wave 4 be here? Could it be ended right there? Let me zoom in. So my answer is yes, but no. What I mean by that is it could be completed right there. But since wave 2 was quite sharp, because of the rule of alternation, I would expect more of a sideways wave 4. So it could eventually be like a triangle, a flat, sort of like this, or a complex as well. So but no matter of, let's say, what type of correction, I would like to be sideways. That's all. So I'd wait before start to buy, but I know that this correction should be bullish corrective, because, and let me take you to the 4-hour, because the initial move down here was in 3, not 5, so that makes me think this is bullish corrective. So that is Adobe. The next chart is Deere Co, and ticker symbol is DE. So here again, another interesting setup. This is a daily chart. If I zoom out after the impressive rally from the 2020 lows, the cover lows, we finally are having some kind of resistance, and that reflects, at least from my perspective, as just a correction of wave 4, a sideways one, and of course it would be a flat. Basically, I'm just waiting for wave C to go a bit lower, because we know that the moment we can break the low wave A, then of course there's stops down here, and of course there's many orders. So what we want is order to be executed. And the second, one thing I do many times is I try to measure relationship between wave C and A. If I look for equality of wave C versus A, I see that equality is right here, so slightly below wave A. So I'm pretty confident that if we do break this low, most likely we could go a bit lower, and then perhaps we could see a reversal, which could be it, which could be the end of wave 4. So once again, I would like to see more downside. I wouldn't like it to stop here, even though it's possible, but still a bit more downside, and then eventually this wave 5 could be a nice swing to trade. It should take us quite high, not too much, but still we have a lot of room available to trade. So that's it for me today. As always, let me know in the comments if you have anything to add, or anything that you think could be better, could be improved. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.